Right, just lay the rig in there nice and gently. I'm going to throw in 4 8mm hard pellets over the top, fishing an 8mm hard pellet on a banded size 16 hook. Let's see if we can get a bite. There we go, just drop that in the margin. Just going to throw 3 8mm pellets over the top. There we go, fish on. There's our first one, real positive bite. So fishing top kit plus 1 section. I've got 2 more sections behind me just in case I need them. So just play this, keep the pole down. You're going to catch some big fish in the margin, some big carp down here. This doesn't seem too big, probably £4 maybe. There we go. So while just unhooking, I'm just going to throw in some more 8mm pellets. This is bigger than £4. We're going to give myself close to maybe 6. There we go, getting back in. Okay, so just caught our first carp. So plan today is just to fish margin, fishing 3 foot deep with a normal margin float on and a bulk shot, fishing 0.19mm main line down to 0.16mm hook length line. Like I say, I've got a banded hook on, size 16 hook, and fishing an 8mm pellet. Shotting pattern, it's just a bulk shot, just above the hook length. So there are quite a few small fish about, but we're not striking at those. It's the real positive ones that we're going to strike at. There we go. So it didn't take too long to get that bite. Just gonna keep the pole down. Yep. I think it's a big fish. Yes. Strip some elastic back. So today was all about fishing with 8mm. Pint of 8mm pellets. Throwing them in. I did prime the line for about an hour, throwing some 8mm in, and then I went on it with an 8mm on a banded size 16 hook. But this one's now livened up. I thought he was going to come in really easy, but he's not really playing ball. There we go. Let's get the hook out. Just put that down there. Let's see if I can show you guys. Nice carp. It's a bit lively, but what, £6. Pop him in. There we go. So let's see if we can catch one more. Hey guys, thank you for watching these 3 videos. Just a couple of reminders. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It only takes 2 seconds to press the button. Hit the subscribe button. It is free. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it's a massive, massive help to the channel. Also, don't forget to give the video a like, give it a thumbs up. But at the end, also, if you can, please leave a comment. All the comments really, really help the video as well. It helps promote the video, and it really, really does help improve what I do. Now let's get back to the video. So let's get a size little pellet on the hook. Throw some 8 mils in and fish over the top. Okay, so let's get back out again. So I just threw some 8mm pellets in. I'm just going to drop the float over the top. There we go. Look at that, straight away. So those literally lining up those carp. I think we've got a few in the swim now. Let's just move the camera around a little bit. So just keeping the pole down. He's gone a bit angry, he's gone out again. Gotta be careful because I've got some snags to my left. Got some reeds, which he wants to go in. So I'm just going to get a couple of more sections on, push this one out. He's now out in the open. So I had to be careful then. I should have really put a couple of sections on almost immediately because I've got those snags to my left. But we're okay. So this is actually not a bad size, I don't think. Certainly putting up a bit of a fight. Gotta be careful, I just don't come back in too soon. Yeah, proper angry this one. Let's see if we can get him in. I don't think he's ready for netting yet. No, I thought he was going to come up then. But I was trying to keep him out of my swim, but I had absolutely no chance then. He just ploughed straight through. There we go. See if we can get his head up again. Oh, a really poor netting. Come here. There we go. That was terrible netting, but we got him. Did that work out? And there we have it. Another carp, about £5. Let's get him in. And fishing the margin at the right time of day can be really easy. But I did say that was going to be my last one, but I'm actually going to see if I can catch one more for you guys, and then we'll call it a day. So 8mm pellet on the hook. Just throw in some 8mm and then fish over the top. Okay, let's see if we can get one more. So put it in over where we've been throwing the 8mm pellets. Let the line straighten up. Ooh, that shot under as soon as the hook hit the bottom. So let's try again. Drop that in nice and slowly. keeping that tight line between the float and the pole. Got a back shot on, again another positive bite. Like I say, I got a back shot on her there as well, about 5 inches away from the float. Let's try again. Just missed 2 proper bites. So looks like we've got a few carp now. I mean, with these swimmers, with the margin swimmers, we all know that you need to prime them. You can't just go straight on them and expect to catch. So whatever bait you're fishing, whether it be 8mm pellets, sweet corn, dead reds, prime the line. I would normally say around 45 minutes to an hour before you go on it. And at the right time of day, when the carp come in, you'll start getting a few bites. There we go. Float straight under then. Proper positive bite. I'm going to get some sections on here. It's going for the reeds. Ah, come off. Ah, that's annoying. He was heading straight over for that reed bed, but he came off. So I'm going to swap that pellet out. Put another one on. So I'm determined to catch one more before we finish. So a few more pellets. Bring the float over the top. Just had a swirl then. When I threw those pellets in, there was a swirl. So there's carp just under there. I mean, they're not really on the deck. I mean, they are. I do think they're more shallow. But I'm trying to pin them down on the bottom. That's where I want them. I'm going to wait for that positive bite again. Proper sharp jab of the float, straight under. There we go. Oh, our bow wave going straight out there. I think we've got a few fish in the swim. So a few more pellets straight over the top of that float. Just going to lift it out, wait for those to drop down. There we go. Float under. I'm going to bring this over this way. I need him to swim out. There we go. I mean, ideally, if you can get closer to the reeds, I think we'd be probably catching a bit quicker, but there's absolutely no way I'm going too close to those reeds. So I'm just going to play this one. There you go, decided to shoot out. And keep that pole down in case that hook comes out. See if we get down to the top kit. Strip some elastic back. I think we got him under control. It's not a big fish. There we go. But nice fish. End the day. There we go. Nice fish, about £3. Pop him back in. There we go, guys. So I think we'll end it there. So I've had a good session just fishing the margin. So I primed it for an hour with 8mm pellets and fishing an 8mm pellet on a banded size 16 hook. So dead easy. I'm sure if I carried on, I'll catch a few more. But I just want to show you guys fishing the margin with 8mm pellets down here. You're going to catch plenty of carp. So if you've liked this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, but also give the video a like. Please leave a comment if you don't mind. Always helps the channel, helps the videos out. But until next time, tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.